Question: why does Allah bring people into your life when you don't belong together? There are moments when you leave them and then go back to them as well, or they come back to you. But in the end, it was never meant to happen. It's getting too difficult for me now to move on with something I couldn't imagine having. I so want to ask this question from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala directly so that I get to know why does He send some people in our life, makes us live with them, and then they leave you. I don't find any lesson except for the pain when they leave. The answer is, Allah brings people into our lives for a purpose, and He then takes them away when their purpose is done. Every experience you have with people you meet is meant to teach you something. When He removes them from your life, you must say Alhamdulillah, because there is most definitely a lesson you've learned that you can't comprehend at this moment. You'll never really know for sure what roles people play in your life, but if you look back, you'll realize that they have either sparked the cogs of change or have taught you something valuable. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala places people in our lives at specific times to suit a specific reason and removes them from our lives at specific times. Rather than thinking about why do they leave, think about why did they enter. That will make your life more meaningful. The life of this world is transitory. It's a journey, and everyone you meet will leave you one day, and someone's leaving may drive you to think about the life, loss, and gain. Life is all about losing and gaining. Not every friendship or relationship is meant to be what you have imagined. We always imagine a happy ending, but we forget that sad endings also exist. And maybe, just maybe, to teach you to value the people around you who don't want to leave you. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best.